Okay, now I'm going to show you what to do in case of an emergency, okay? Remember, first of all, if you're here in Spain, if you need an ambulance, if you need assistance, call 112, okay? That will get you to the central where they will help you, alright? And send you an ambulance. And for small things here, you have, in this corner here, you have a first aid kit. Okay. There it is. Get yourself a first aid kit with everything you need is inside. And follow me to the front. If there is an emergency with the van, underneath the front seat here you have everything you need. Okay. So you have this here, which is with this is to jump start the car with the little battery. It's a really nice setup. It's a emergency battery that you can use to start up the car if you need to. And the battery, I always keep it here in the front, always charging up. Yeah, because this battery is great to also charge up your phones, whatever you need. Okay, here you have the markers for the street. You know, by law you need to mark with these signs that you are broken down. You also have to wear this. Okay, so remember, first thing that happens if the van brakes, you need to put those things and put on the clothes, okay? Because if the police come and you don't have those on, you can get in trouble. I also have this. This is also really handy. This is an air pump, okay? And this air pump, if you get a flat tire, usually you can fill up the tire, and with that you can get to the nearest mechanic to fix it. It's much better than changing it yourself, because the van is very old and you don't want to change a tire in an old car. It's always complications. So the way to do it is either do that or use the insurance to call the tow truck, and the tow truck will come and change the tire for you. And the tire is in the back, underneath here. That's where the tire is. Okay? Yeah, that's it. I think so. Oh yeah, there's also a few more things back here. There's a setup here of fuses and light bulbs, just in case. And extra startup cables, just in case. Usually never happens, but they always come handy. So that's the stuff you need for emergencies.